My mind got to thinking, because it does that a lot. What if Superman were a construction worker? He can leap tall buildings in a single bound, but can he build one? Let's find out.